Right, okay, so first thing on this bumper, what I'm going to do is this bottom splitter here, because it's broke this end, and in the middle, is just remove it and then replace it with this, which will go underneath, like so. You get the idea. So that will be the bottom, instead of having that, which should match with them as well. But that will go underneath. So that'll be on top, that'll go underneath that. But it's the best thing probably, because it is quite badly damaged, this. You can see. So it'll take quite a bit of repairing to get it straight again. So yeah, that's a start, I suppose. It's repair the main bit of the damage, which is here, because that's quite badly broke. It has been repaired in the past, but that's not really doing anything, so I have to take that off as well. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've removed the first lot of stitches and the repair, which was, yeah. And yeah, a good start, but yeah, it's how I expect it to look, so should be right. Right, so some good progress. I've got this patch off and all the zip ties as well, so that's getting there. It's ready for fiberglassing. Same with this, and that's clipped up. That'll go a bit tighter once I've done the bottom. But yeah, that's the worst part of it done. Let's just get fiberglassing. So, me and Kyle, who Kyle about just died, thanks Kyle. Bit of fiberglass bits. It's pretty sound. Kyle's been doing bits as well. Headlights. Oof. Ooh, that's the idea. Even though it's not on the wrong one, but you know,
we'll work with it.
We'll work with it. But that to that, my boy. So this is the main two bits repaired. So it's pretty solid now. Just that bit there, mouse, and that bit to repair. And that's it as far as fiberglassing is concerned. So that's not too bad in a day's work. Whilst we were waiting for the fiberglass to dry, we also took out both the headlights. The bumper's semi-loose as well, so we can swap them over probably next week when it's not raining. So that's getting there as well. Split both headlights as well, so we can black out this. There's a projector going in there. It'll have a LED side light as well as an indicator there, so that can come out as well. The other side of an air intake, like you can see in the dark. So they'll be the same, but that'll have an air intake where the indicator is, like it was before, but slightly bigger. So yeah, it's getting there. All right, so that's all the fiberglassing done up to now. Done these side bits just here, as well as that side. Doesn't have to be perfect, because most of that will be filler in the end of the day, because it's not structural. It's just there so I can build up the sides again. But yeah, that side's obviously pretty much fine. And it's all right around here. But yeah, he's tidy up now because it's a bit of a state. So Kyle, what are we doing?
The wiring.
Ooh.
You want us for pliers.
Thanks, Kyle. Never grateful.
The wiring.
No.
I took off a little bit too much there.
For the projectors, isn't that right, Kyle?
Something like that.
LED strips for bits, and black bezels, half of it. And Kyle, what are you doing?
The wiring.
Go on. Test number 1. Right, so I've prepared it, filled it. It's looking pretty nice. So I'll spray it next. Right, finally, progress. Just got it back this morning from being sprayed. Fitted the number plate, which is, I was a bit half and half where to fit it. I wasn't sure if to put it in the middle or the side or on there somewhere, but put it where it was on the other car, but the other way around. So it's, instead of being sat on the bottom, it's now sat on the top. Fitted that lip maybe, I don't know. Yeah, fitted that as well, but I might make a new one from scratch, but we'll see. Not 100% set on it, obviously, because there's nothing to hold it up. Heard of these as well, which came with this lip again. Yeah, so it came with that anyway, so I thought might as well use them. That's a bumper. Need to fit the badge, obviously. Cheeky one of them. I'll get in there with the headlights, not that you can see them in the dark. So I've got a mould upstairs, which is fiberglass, that I've made. That needs finishing, but you can see side lights indicator, it's this LED strip here. You can just see the projector in there. Again, the other one's done, just need to put some rep on it that you'll see eventually. But yeah, some good progress. Might go and fit the bumper to the car in a minute, even if it is quite cold out there at the minute. It's a good -1, I think. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Right, it's all fitted. No, I think that looks pretty damn good actually. Bit biased probably, but oh well. Yeah, pretty decent finish as well. Look at that. I'm quite happy with that. Decent £10 bargain right there. Obviously this was the side that was all snapped up and technically not attached to the rest of the bumper, so I'm pretty happy with that repair. Looks better now it's the right colour, but that looks banging. Proper aggressive. But still not sold on that yet. We'll see what I do. More of an update. Just done my second mould for the air intake through the headlight. As you can see, it's pretty good. You can see the projector. Only thing is, around here, I think, the LEDs aren't working, so I'm going to have to take this out again, this whole strip. Yeah, so that's a bit of a bummer, but that's done. Wait for that to dry, take it out. I'm going to try and paint it black somehow. We'll get to that, but yeah, cut it down, make it look nice. Then once everything's back together again, bond it on, and we should be sorted. Oof. Okay, so I kind of forgot to do a video for last weekend that this video is being filmed on. Fitted, well, two of my boys fitted front coilovers on. Doing the back set today, hopefully. Also, new bumpers on, as well as a headlight. Haven't done the other side yet. Waiting on LED strip. Made this splitter. It's pretty cool. Just needs finishing around there and whatnot. Also need to put it properly on the car, but I'm not going to do that until the other headlight's in. But yeah, getting there. Let's see how today goes. Hopefully it'll be low enough. There you go, there's one out. Only taken an hour and a half, probably. Rust is your best friend. Yeah, put a new one on. See how it goes. Hopefully it'll fit and not have any problems, but don't count on it. Okay, so I've just put it in place. Never realised how close that would be. But obviously got the ride height's like and set it accordingly, but it is pretty tight if you want to go low. But I don't know how low that is yet, so it could be fine. Let's find out. Okay, so I've not long taken this side assembly off. But one thing I'm going to definitely do soon is get some 6-sided sockets. I've had to borrow some because I ain't got any and everything kept rounding because rust. Yes, a lot of it. They didn't snap though. Hey, that's pretty good. So yeah, once I've got that on, then we can start sorting the height. Hey, so I've just got this side on. It didn't actually take as long as the other side. It took about half the time. Probably down to bolt under here, because if you know about these, the nuts are a nightmare on the other side of them, but I've had to take it off before and I've had to chop it back a bit. I don't know if you can really see. You can just see I had to chop it back last time. Not the best, but at least I can get it undone. Yeah, so that means that's all done. Time to lower it. Okay, well, that's today finished. It's probably too low, actually. But I'll be getting some 16s for it. So it's not too much of an issue at the minute. So I'll set it for the 16s. But yeah, job well done. From taking it all off, I think I've done pretty well today. It only took about 5 hours, probably, with a lunch. So yeah, not too bad. Tomorrow's another day, so should be doing some wiring. But we'll see how that goes. Right, so as we're getting on, not that it's been particularly quick, but the wrap is on this one, which has been for a while. LED. I tried to pitch HID to them, and bit too many wires, I think, and it just wasn't working for me. So I decided to go for these LED, and they fit. Not a lot of the LEDs fit at the minute. I've gone through about 3 or 4 different types, and none of them are either too dull or they're not. They don't go in the actual holder, as you can see. There's not actually a lot of room because it's designed for HID. But these fit. We're getting there with them. Just siliconed the air intake, if you like. Done just finished that, so that should be about done. Got some blanks to put in, like there. Not that you can see because of the sun, pardon me. But it's took a lot longer than I thought it would. Yeah, I mean, this is the 3rd month probably of them being out, so yeah, it's not been quick. But after these are in, I can set the bumper up, get it all finished off, and then yeah, it's about finished apart from the wheels going on. But yeah, the new tyres will be coming this month. Not that this month means anything to you lot, because I don't know what month it is anymore. But yeah, we're all getting there. Right, so finally finished assembling the 2 headlights. You can see this one's got a air intake through it, which looks pretty good. As you can see, I've had to put the black on that side so it doesn't look too odd when it's on the car, but I can now fit it finally after 3 months. Finally to the car, and I can sort the bumper out, put that aligned, sort that all out, and then front end's finished finally. Right, so I've finally finished it. Looks pretty nice, honest. So it took 3 months after I thought it'd take 2 weeks, but I suppose it's how it went. I suppose it was down to just stuff coming in the post and figuring out how to do stuff, figuring out how to do the wiring, because there's a lot of extra bits I never thought of that actually came up, but oh well, it's all done now. I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, next thing is do the wheels, sort out the arches so they fit. But yeah, that'll be a separate video probably, because this video is way, well, overdue. It's since I thought it'd take 3 weeks. But yes, here we go. It's done. I'm happy. Next,